Introducing the Tohnichi 5000DOT-MD torque tester, a reliable and precise instrument designed to measure torque values with utmost accuracy. Manufactured by Tohnichi, a renowned brand in the assembly industry, this torque tester offers exceptional performance and durability for your quality control needs. With a wide torque range of 50 to 500 kg/fcm, the 5000DOT-MD torque tester is suitable for various applications, making it a versatile tool for your assembly line. The easy-to-read analog dial display provides clear and precise torque readings for convenient assessment. This torque tester is specifically designed for clockwise testing, ensuring accurate measurements for your tightening applications. The mechanical loading device allows for smooth and controlled torque application, enhancing testing efficiency. Elevate your quality control processes with the Tohnichi 5000DOT-MD torque tester. Trust in Tohnichi's expertise and invest in this reliable torque tester to ensure the precision and quality of your assembly operations.